Yes!
Sandy's got a big grin on her face. I have been selected to become a monster out here at Carowinds tonight.
And all night I get to hang out with this monster. I'm so excited. He came out and said, "Where's my monster?" I'm like, wait, what are you talking about? Yes, Rock was selected.
Yes, they've selected me. So, if this isn't a reason to stay tuned to this video, I don't know what is. It's the hairline. Gotta get it ready.
You may be thinking, why is he spraying the airbrush on his arm? He's double checking that the makeup that they use through airbrush lines, one, that it's the right shade that he wants, because firstly I think he's just going to apply the base, but also just to make sure there's no blots in that makeup that he's going to be airbrushing on me. One thing you may not realize, when they do the airbrush makeup, notice how I have my eyes closed and my mouth closed. I try to take a very deep breath while they're doing it, and if you watch this video closely, you'll see I open my mouth just a little, take a quick breath, and then hold my breath again. That way I don't delay their time and they can get done as quickly as possible and on to the next scare actors. Notice he has his hand on my chest near my neck. He's just asking me if he can do the makeup all the way down my neck and into my chest, just to have a more complete look. Take this as a tip for when next time you do makeup, make sure it completely covers everything. Don't let it just stop at the chin. Go ahead and do the neck also, so that way everything just has a unified look. You may be thinking, what about your shirt? The airbrush is getting all over it. Keep in mind, this is makeup, not airbrush paint that wouldn't wash out. Makeup will come off your clothes very easily.
Multitasking at its finest. Oh, sorry, you're recording.
I know it's hard to see with this camera angle, but he is doing my eyes, and just wait a few seconds and you're going to see the brown around my eyes that he did. Look how the brown shading on my neck looks like a V shape. With my eyes being closed throughout this makeup experience, the makeup artist is aware of this and will let me know when I'm going to spray your eyes next. I'm going to do your lips next. That way you're not caught off guard with that blast from the airbrush gun. And don't forget the ears. Those need makeup also. Carowinds has a lot of monsters they have to do makeup on, so multiple makeup artists are brought in. Notice behind me, that's Eddie Tainman. He has a channel also, and I'm going to put his link in the description down below.
I was so nervous when they said, "Oh, Joe, you're out." I was like, "Oh. No, I can't do it." But here we are. Okay, I'm flowing now.
You're amazing.
Thank you. Thank you very much. vampire.
Oh.
Zombie moment.
Did you say zompire?
No, zombie fire.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a mix of vampire and zombie. I'm like, I like that new name.
Did you know that you can sometimes find the best makeup actually outside in the scare zones, not inside the haunted houses? The haunted houses a lot of time have lack of lighting, it's dark situations, you're rushing through there, so the makeup artists sometimes are aware of that and put
Finishing
more
touches.
details on those that are outside in those scare zones.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, airbrush. Looks good. Of course, candy.
Filming every minute of it.
Yeah.
And I'm about to do the big reveal.
Okay.
I don't know if that's a good picture. What do you think? That's the picture I'm going to show them.
Oh yeah, that's a good picture.
What do you think? Ready?
Ready.
That's what you look like right now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you look pretty.
Thank you. I don't think he's going for pretty.
I want to look on that. He laughed. Look at my man. He's a little scary. Wow, it looks better there.
What, with the
He
light?
did, yeah. He
Yes,
did
all the
such a
way
good
up the
job.
neck,
Yeah,
down
look
the...
at that.
Yeah.
I mean, the detail. Very, very talented here at Carowinds.
Now, once you get your hair done, you get your makeup done, your outfit is not really complete unless with the stop behind me wardrobe.
And so we really like did it up.
Just to give you a preview of what my accessory weapon is out there, in case some victims get out of line. And neither can you! Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below.